Today we're looking at a 2015 Ford F-150 XLT. It's a four-wheel drive. It's tuxedo black metallic in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. All right, does have the chrome caps on the side mirrors, black running boards, chrome door handles. Does have the numeric keypad to get in or lock the vehicle. You can unlock or lock the vehicle from this. Driver's side of the F-150 is in great shape. Make our way across the rear of the vehicle. Everything looks really good here. Tailgate works good. Got the plastic bed liner in here. Got the D tie down rings back here as well. All right, everything looks good back here. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything in really good shape here. Again, got the chrome pieces on the side mirrors there, chrome grille, chrome front bumper. Exterior of this F-150 is in great shape. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, got power locks, power windows, power mirrors. All right, does have gray cloth seating. Nice insert here. It is the split bench 40-20-40. Okay, and we'll put that middle part down in just a second. But the interior in here is in really good shape. Does come with the keyless entry key fob. Okay, you got your climate control center here. Four-wheel drive, CD player. All right, your AM/FM display screen right there, and we'll show you that in a second. Does have steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 50,674 miles on it. Now that we've got it started up, I'll go ahead and show you the display screen here, AM/FM display. All right, got your four-wheel drive right here, climate control area here. All right, and then down here you do have an auxiliary plug and a USB port, and you got your power outlet here. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. I'll go ahead and show you this too. You got a 12-volt power supply right there. All right, AC is blowing cold, no problems with the air conditioning. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back. Carpet back here is in good shape. All right, let me walk around, open up that other side door so you can really see the condition of the cloth back here. Let's go ahead and open this up. There we go. Now that'll really open it up. You can see a little bit better. All right, but the back seat cloth is in great shape. Okay, carpet down here looks good as well. Okay, and it also has a nice convenient power outlet right here. All right, let me hop up here, kind of give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Let's see. Go ahead and take a look at the front passenger seat. As you can see, it's in good shape. We'll go ahead and put down the center console here. Center console down. It's got the cup holders here. Center console storage there. Take a look at the wheels and tires. All right, got 17-inch chrome caps on here. All right, tires are in great shape. Plenty of tread left on the tires. All right, once again, it's a 2015 Ford F-150 XLT. It's a four-wheel drive, 50,000 miles on it. All right, it's got a clean Carfax, just 2 previous owners. All right, this thing's in great shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.